Windows 10 to end support in 2025. You may consider purchasing a new PC, which might be quite expensive, or better still, upgrading the hardware, which is still expensive. It's time to consider a third alternative, which is cost-effective. Debian 12.9 Bookworm might be what you're looking for. Debian 12 recently released an 8 update, alongside 72 bug fixes and 38 security updates. Debian forms an excellent choice for old PNC, and it is free. Whether you are looking for a powerful, free, and secured OS, Debian 12.9 is worth checking out. This new release addresses a wide range of issues. Some of them include security lapses for DSA-listed issues for packages like Firefox ESR, Thunderbird, Chromium, Symfony, among others. How to download. Installation is pretty simple and straightforward. For new users, head over to the official website and download the ISO file and use a Ventoy tool to create a bootable USB drive. For existing users, you can upgrade seamlessly with Package Manager to an updated Debian mirror. #etc/debian_version 12.9, $sudo apt update, and sudo apt full upgrade. Bookworm might be the most stable Debian to ever exist. So what are you waiting for? Get your server.